Types of Nuer traditional foods. 1. Kop. Description: a dish made from flour, often sorghum or maize, shaped into balls. Preparation: the flour is mixed with water to form a dough, which is then shaped into balls and cooked. The dish is typically served with a sauce made from fish and meat. Consumption: kop is often eaten as a main course, with the sauce providing a rich and savory flavor. 2. Wash. Description: another type of balled flour dish, but with a different sauce. Preparation: similar to kop. The flour is mixed with water, shaped into balls, and cooked. The sauce for wash is milk-based, often made with fermented milk for a tangy taste. Consumption: wash is usually served as a main dish, with the milk-based sauce adding a creamy texture. 3. Kwandak. Description: a porridge made with milk and stew. Preparation: the porridge is typically made from a mixture of grains, like sorghum or maize and milk. It is cooked slowly until it reaches a thick, creamy consistency. The stew, which can include meat and vegetables, is added on top or mixed in. Consumption: kwandak is often eaten as a hearty breakfast or dinner, providing a nourishing and filling meal. 4. Madiati. Description: a dish made with a milk-based sauce. Preparation: the exact ingredients can vary, but the key component is the milk-based sauce. This sauce can be made from fresh or fermented milk and may be seasoned with local spices. Consumption: madiati is typically served as part of a larger meal, often accompanying other dishes. 5. Uat. Description: a dish with a sauce made from fish and meat. Preparation: the dish typically includes pieces of fish and meat cooked together in a sauce. The sauce is usually rich and flavorful, often seasoned with spices and herbs. Consumption: uat is often served with a starch, such as balled flour like kop or flatbread, making it a substantial and satisfying meal. These dishes not only reflect the culinary traditions of the Nuer people, but also their resourcefulness in using locally available ingredients to create varied and nutritious meals.